Alpha, beta, gamma. These are the three types of radiation that we need to know a lot about for your GCSE physics, everything you need to know. Save this video so you can watch it before the exam. Firstly, alpha is the thick boy. It's made from 2 protons and 2 neutrons. It is the nucleus of a helium atom. Then there's beta. When beta radiation is emitted, you need to understand what's happening in the nucleus of an atom. It's when a neutron is changing into a proton, and that ejects a fast-moving electron, which is what a beta particle is. And then lastly, there is gamma radiation, which is just an electromagnetic wave. No physical stuff to it whatsoever. The first thing to know is how penetrating each of them are. Now, they're on a scale 1, 2, 3. Big, thick thing is not going to get through stuff very easily because it's big and thick. So this is the least penetrating. Alpha is the least penetrating. It is stopped by paper. Beta, being in the middle, has medium penetrating power. It is stopped by aluminium. And then the wave, since it's just a wave, no physical stuff, it is very penetrating. Gamma is very highly penetrating. It's stopped by lead or thick concrete. I'm talking a few meters of concrete. Then you need to know how ionizing each of them are. Ionization is when you knock off electrons and form an ion from an atom, okay? So which of these would be best able to knock electrons off of atoms? Obviously, it's the big thick boy. If these smash into electrons, they're well gone. So an alpha particle is the most ionizing of these three types of radiation. Beta, again, in the middle, is mediumly ionizing. And then lastly, the wave, gamma, is the least ionizing because it doesn't have any physical matter to do with it. So it's the least best able to knock electrons off of atoms. Bear in mind, there is one other type of radiation, a neutron, but you don't need to know anything about penetrating or ionizing power of that. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if there's any other topics that you need a quick video on before your exam. We're ploughing out video after video until the end of your science exams. Let's get it.